Today in our class we will learn about sedimentary rock and metamorphic rock. Okay. First, we learn about the formations of sedimentary rock. Okay, this type of rock are formed by the worn out of sediment of the previous rock. Previous rock means primary rock. Okay, the primary or the igneous rocks are eroded by the different natural agents like sun, rain, running water, wind, moving ice, waves, etc. These natural agents wound out debris and sediments, then transported by the natural agent, same natural agent like stream, river, wind, glacier, waves, etc. Okay, and then eventually they are deposited in layers on the sea floor. In course of time, weighing of the pressures and the overlying layers, heat and chemical reaction, these layers of sediment undergo the solidifications and cementations to form hard rock, that is known as sedimentary rock. Okay, as these rocks are formed in layer or strata, they are called stratified rock. That means they have layer and strata. Okay, the plane or the surface of that separated one stratum from the other is known as bedding plane. Okay, meaning one layer and another layer, that the difference between them is called bedding plane. Okay, as these rocks are formed after the igneous rocks were formed, they are called secondary rock. Primary rock is igneous rock and secondary rock is sedimentary rock. Now we learn about the classifications of sedimentary rock. There are the three types of sedimentary rock. One is mechanical formed rock, other one is organically formed rock, and other one chemically formed rock. Okay. Number 1, mechanical formed rock. This type of rock is formed when sediment of various size are transported by the different natural agents like river, glacier, wind or waves and deposited in the layer on the sea floor. Okay, the materials get compacted and cemented together to the form of this type of rock. Like example, grit, conglomerate, mudstone, etc. Number 2, organically formed rock. This type of rock is formed when the remains of marine plant and animals are deposited. That means depositions on the sea floor and get decomposed, and later their hard cells are transformed into a rock. And the limestone is an example of this type of rock. And there are the rocks that formed by the decompositions of vegetation matter caused due to the pressures at the overlying sediment, and the compact and the masses of the plants remained later from coal. Okay. Number 3, chemical formed rock. This type of rock is mostly precipitate from the solutions of the certain salt. Okay, example like gypsum, calcite, this type of rock. Okay. Sedimentary rock also classify according to the origins of the sediment into the two types. One is clastic rock, other one is non-clastic rock. Clastic rock is, the word clastic is a Greek that means broken. So the rock that are formed from the sediment broken into the smaller pieces due to the erosions by the natural agent, that are called clastic rock. Okay, all mechanical formed rock belong to this category. Like example, conglomerate, grit, sandstone, shale, etc. Number 2, non-clastic rock. Sedimentary rocks that are formed from the sediment derived from the chemical or organically are called non-clastic rock. Like example, limestone, dolomite, rock salt, gypsum, etc. Okay. Now we discuss about the characteristics of sedimentary rock. This type of the sedimentary rocks are formed by the sediment which is derived by the erosions of primary rocks. Number 2, they are mainly formed by the actions of water, and therefore they are called aquatic rock. Number 3, they are formed in the strata of the horizontal layer. Number 4, they have bedding planes and they have mud crack and ripple mark. The rock contain the particles of the various size and shape. These rocks are porous and break easily. Sediment rocks are permeable in nature. They contain fossils,